Hello everyone, welcome to Learner's Point. In this video you will watch essay on 15th August, Independence Day. So let's start. The day of 15th August 1947 has been embossed in the golden history of India. It is the day when India got its freedom from 200 years of British rule. It was very hard and long struggle. The significance of the day is defined by the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters and other great men. It is an important day in the life of every Indian citizen. Year after year, it reminds us of our great freedom fighters who sacrificed and struggled whole life in the order to free our beloved motherland from British rule. Millions of Indians have lost their life in the freedom fight. The day reminds us to commemorate those who have sacrificed their everything to make us breathe in freedom. India celebrates its Independence Day on the 15th of August every year. Independence Day called Red Letter Day in the history of our country. It is celebrated as a national holiday throughout India. Independence Day 2023 helps us to remember every one of the penances our political dissidents made to liberate India from British rule. On 15th August 1947, India was announced free from British imperialism and entered into the biggest vote-based system, the largest democracy in the world. 2023 15th August is commanded as a public celebration with flag hosting, march and social work in school, universities, workplaces, society buildings, governments and private associations celebrate this day beautifully. On this day, Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag at the Red Fort and addresses the country with a speech. Doordarshan communicates the whole occasion in the real time on TV. History of Independence Day. In 1947, on 15th August, India became independent. We won freedom from British Raj after a hard struggle. On this day, at the stroke of midnight, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, unfurled the national flag at the Red Fort for the first time. It marked the end of 200 years of British reign in India. We now breathe air in free and sovereign nation. The British have governed India for about 200 years. Under British colonization, the life of every Indian was dismal and full of struggle. Indians were treated as a slave and had no freedom of speech. Indian rulers were puppets in the possession of British officers. Indian fighters were dealt with cruelly in British camps and farmers were starving as they could not grow crops and needed to pay substantial land taxes. On this special occasion, the people of India remember the selfless sacrifices and unparalleled contributions of great men and women to achieve the independence of India. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Sardar Patel and Gopal Bandhu Das are paid reverent homage by one and all in the country. The great Indian freedom fighters. India could not have acquired independence without the efforts of numerous extraordinary freedom fighters. Bhagat Singh, Rani of Jhansi, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Ram Prasad Bismil and Afaq-Ullah Khan are some of the notable names. Role of the women in India's independence. Several women have played a significant part in the Indian freedom movement. Savitri Bai Phule, Mahadevi Verma, Cap Lakshmi Sehgal, Rani Lakshmi Bai and Basanti Devi are some of the main names to remember. These women alone with many others, played a prominent role in leading India towards its independence. The good British rulers in India. Not all the British were awful. Many started adoring India and did incredible things for it. Some of them even took part in the Indian independence struggle. Some of the good British rulers include Warren Hastings, who developed court reforms, Farida Bedi, who supported Indian nationalism, Ellen Octavian Hume, who started the Indian National Congress, etc. Why do we celebrate Indian Independence Day? India accomplished freedom following a 200 years long battle. India gained complete independence from the British on 15th August 1947. That is why the day holds importance in the heart of each Indian citizen, either living in India or abroad. India is celebrating 77 years of freedom on 15th August 2023 as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. This day also helps us to remember the struggles of freedom fighters and the lives sacrificed in attaining independence. The struggle that our freedom fighters have gone through shows us that the freedom we appreciate today has been attained by shedding the blood of hundreds of individuals. It instills patriotism inside each Indian. It makes the current generation understand the struggle of individuals around them and familiarize themselves with the freedom fighters of India. Importance of the Independence Day. Independence Day is a positive historical event for the country since we were free from the British rule on this day. It unites diverse individuals all over the country. Unity in diversity is the fundamental path and strength of India. We feel pleased to be a part of the biggest majority rule country on the planet where we live in a democracy. Activities on Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated with great joy across the country. People hold meetings, fly the national flag, and sing the national anthem. There is a great enthusiasm among all. In the national capital Delhi, this day is celebrated with a great pomp and shows. All leaders and common people gather in the large number on the parade ground in front of the Red Fort and eagerly wait for the arrival of the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister then hoists the national flag and make a speech that focuses on the achievements of the government during the past year, mention the issues that still need to be addressed and call upon future development efforts. Foreign dignitaries are also invited in this occasion. Tributes are paid to the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives during the struggle. The Indian national anthem Jan Gan Man is sung. The parade by the Indian Army and the paramilitary force is followed by the speech. All state capitals hold events on the similar lines with the chief minister of the respective states unfurling the national flag. Independence Day is observed with great honor at all the government and private institutes, schools and colleges. Students take part in parades and sing the national anthem before hoisting the national flag. Some historical buildings are especially decorated with light depictions and independence theme. Special programs like planting trees are taken up on this day. The young mind are infused with the sense of patriotism and nationalistic feelings. To celebrate this occasion, sports and cultural competitions are conducted and prizes are awarded to the winners. Sweets are distributed among everyone. Patriotic songs can be heard at every street corner. Another interesting feature of the celebration is the kite flying event that is held all over the country with great zeal. The sky on this day is filled with kites of various colors, shapes, and sizes. Even television channels and radio programs are charged up with patriotism. The channels telecast movies and documentaries based on patriotic themes in order to let the people and children know about the various incidents of our freedom struggle and to inspire a love for our motherland. All the national newspapers also print special editions and cite inspirational stories and experts of the life of great men from the great books written about them. Conclusion: Indian Independence Day is the national occasion and celebrated as the national holiday on which all shops, workplaces, schools, and universities remain closed. This day is a token to the freedom fighters and those who sacrificed their lives so we could experience and live in a free mind. The Tiranga is hosted in the schools and other institutes on this day. A wind of a patriotism and national integration blows across the country on this day. The country is celebrating 77 Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav as it completes 77 years of independence to remind the citizen of the sacrifices made by our forefathers. Through Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, India will commemorate its past this Independence Day and will also lay plans for the future. It is now in the hands of India's youth to shape and form the future of our country.